Introducing our second fully electric Tesla-powered Defender on US soil, Project Morpheus. This electric 110 is painted in full gloss Arles blue with contrast in white for a real timeless classic appearance. Morpheus sits on 18-inch 1983 Cairn wheels, refinished in white with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a front runner roof rack, 4 LED spotlights up front and 2 at the rear. We also have billet door furniture and a mesh front grille. Inside, Project Morpheus features an Evander wood steering wheel with ECD electric gauges, 2 Puma Classic front and mid-row seats, and 2 forward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is wrapped in a horizontal stitched tan leather, finished in white, echoing shades from the exterior. Morpheus is powered by our 450 horsepower Tesla motor and drive for near 200 miles on a full charge. This 110 features an array of modern conveniences such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout. This, the second of our electric Defenders and third electric vehicle delivered in the US, is a real timeless, elegant vehicle with a drivetrain that somehow makes sense when you put your foot down. We as always are delighted at ECD to be leading the market in electrifying classic Land Rovers. Expect to see a steady stream of these as we pass through the year.